Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the video tool on Canva using your phone. So let us get started. To begin with, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select Video. You have access to a wide range of videos that Canva offers. For instance, if you want to add a video about a forest, simply type forest in the search bar. Canva will then present you with a variety of forest videos to choose from. Scroll through the options until you find the one that fits your project. Once you have found the perfect video, tap on it and it will be added to your Canva canvas. If you wish to add more videos, just repeat the process to find and add them to your project. With Canva's video tool, you can easily enhance your designs and presentations by incorporating captivating videos that perfectly complement your content. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.